Let's talk about the latest launched Motorola smartphone Moto G34. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.5 inches HD plus punch-hole display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 84% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 270 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 6.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual core Cryo 660 Gold plus 1.7 GHz hexa-core Cryo 660 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.7 by 74.6 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 179 grams. The color options star black, sea blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G34 has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at around $140 and 999 Chinese yuan, and 39,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G34 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.